Imagine driving down the road with your car engine roaring, wind blowing through your hair, and feeling the unmistakable power of a classic American muscle car. Well, guess what? You don't have to spend loads of money just for this excitement. Today's video will spill all about these hidden treasures that can be yours under $10,000. Number 12. 1976 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Looking for a classic muscle car that screams American power and style? Look no further than the 1976 Pontiac Trans Am. This bad boy boasts an iconic design that will turn heads wherever you go. With its bold grille, shaker hood scoop, and sweet graphics on display, this ride is guaranteed to catch some attention. But it doesn't just look. Underneath the slick exterior lies a beastly engine ready to roar down any road with its impressive 220 horsepower output from the potent V8 motor paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Inside, enjoy comfortable vinyl bucket seats while tracking your speedometer or tuning out via a premium sound system. Number 11. 1969 Mercury Cougar XR7. The 1969 Mercury Cougar XR7 is a beautiful car that radiates grace and strength. It cost just $3,500 when it came out. This cool vintage ride turns heads with its smooth curves and hidden headlights. The XR7 model has an engine called the 351 cubic inch V8, which gives you big power with up to 290 horsepower for speedy fun times behind the wheel. The inside of this fancy pants vehicle looks great too. Think comfy leather seats, wood grain trim like fake tree stuff, and one sharp console in between those hip bucket chairs. Check out something unique on this gem. It's got blinky lights on the back end. These tail lights work all together like magic for some extra flash factor. Number 10. 1974 Dodge Dart Sport 360. Check out the cool Dodge Dart Sport 360. It's got power, style, and a low price tag. You won't believe the punch this baby packs with its monstrous 5.9-liter V8 engine that spits out an impressive 275 horses for some serious acceleration when you hit the gas. And don't let those sleek lines fool you. This bad boy is roomy inside so everyone can stretch their legs on longer road trips. Plus, safety first. Anti-lock brakes and airbags make sure you stay secure behind the wheel no matter what happens on your journey. Number 9. 1965 Ford Mustang. The 1965 Ford Mustang is a legendary car that has grabbed the attention of car lovers for years. It's like a symbol of freedom and adventure on the road with its timeless design and powerful performance. The cost to own this beauty may vary depending on features, but it can range roughly from $10,000 up to $50,000. Back in those days, what made the 65 Mustang stand out was its engine options. Everything ranging from V8 engines, which pumped high horsepower, making it easier to go through places requiring power. This gave drivers an exhilarating experience they couldn't find anywhere else. Now let me describe how cool both interior and exterior look. Starting outside, you'll notice sleekness mixed perfectly well together, giving off sporty vibes. Long hood facilitating short rear deck leaves nothing less than confident cars, whereas aggressive stance makes jaws drop as soon as one lays eyes upon this beast. Inside are amenities such as comfortable seats designed particularly to keep driver ease at heart, plus a stylish dashboard appealing to passengers seated up front too. Number 8. Ford Thunderbird from 1962. The 1962 Ford Thunderbird is a classic car that oozes elegance and sophistication. It looks awesome, capturing both luxury and power with its smooth design. The engine packs some serious punch too. Driving it around feels super comfy in the roomy interior decked out with top-notch materials made by skilled people who care about quality. People on the street will turn their heads when they see you driving this beauty. Check out those curves mixed perfectly together with sharp angles to create an eye-catching machine. You can pick one up from between $10,000 to $50,000 depending on condition and rarity, making it perfect for collectors looking to own something rare yet still stylish enough, not only as treasure, but also as transportation when cruising through life's roads full of wonderment at what lies ahead. Performance, style, exclusivity wrapped into one beautiful package called the Thunderbird 62. Number 7. The 1965 Buick Skylark Gran Sport. The 1965 Buick Skylark Gran Sport is a car that oozes timeless charm and might. It has a fancy design that captures attention with its smooth shape, which looks like it's made to break records in racing competitions. The outside shows off an impressive grille, shiny chrome decorations, noticeable body lines. All of these details make the vehicle look tough and sporty. You won't feel left out on the inside either, as you'll sink onto comfy leather seats in your spacious carriage for driving pleasure. The cherry on top lies within what powers this beauty. A powerful V8 engine that pumps up heart-racing acceleration while zipping along streets or highways at exhilarating but safe speeds. What sets this classic apart from others comes from how well-crafted every part of it feels. Number 6. The 1970 Plymouth Duster. The Plymouth Duster is a classic muscle car that packs power and style into one affordable ride. With its sleek aerodynamic design, bold exterior lines, and wide stance, this iconic vehicle screams fierce sportiness from every angle. Under the hood lies an array of engine options to suit your taste, including a 340 cubic inch V8 for those who demand maximum horsepower. But don't let all that brawn fool you. The interior is just as impressive, with comfortable seating and a spacious cabin featuring modern infotainment systems on the dashboard. Number 5. The 1970 AMC Javelin SST Mark Donohue Edition. The 1970 AMC Javelin SST Mark Donohue Edition is an awesome muscle car that rocks the American spirit. It's got a cool design and super strong engine, making it legendary. You can grab one for just $3,999 and enjoy the power of its V8 motor with 325 horsepower. So fast. This beauty stands out from other cars by having special features both inside and outside. The exterior has a racing-inspired paint job in red, white, and blue colors, plus even boasts a functional hood scoop to make you faster while looking cooler than everyone else. Inside this beauty ride are comfy black vinyl seats stitched up with bold pops of red color. There's also some stylish chrome details on the dashboard, along with wood grain trim, which gives your vehicle classic elegance without losing any modern edge or fun functionality at all. Number 4. The 1963 Chevy Impala. The 1963 Chevy Impala SS is a timeless car that looks super cool and elegant. It catches everyone's attention with its smooth design, shiny chrome details, split front grille, and wraparound taillights. Its engine is really powerful. It has an amazing V8 motor delivering great performance for those who like speed. Plus, the transmission makes driving feel easy peasy. Inside this beauty, you'll find only quality materials designed to make your ride comfy, giving you lots of space too. The leather seats are so soft they're like sitting on clouds, which means long trips won't bother even the fussiest passenger out there. Driving will be effortless thanks to gauges that tell everything about what's going on inside, while intuitive buttons ensure no confusion when trying different features or functionalities. Number 3. The Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. The 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is a classic car that oozes elegance. It was sold for $3,213 way back then and offered great value for its time. This beauty came with a powerful V8 engine that could produce an impressive 320 horsepower. Its sleek design made it easily noticeable on roads with iconic headlights too cool to ignore. The interior of the Cutlass Supreme had fancy vinyl seats, powered windows, and enough room to fit 5 people comfortably. The outside had shiny chrome details lining up into pretty curves, catching everyone's attention. Nowadays, this legendary vehicle still stands as a symbol of excellence in the automotive world, bringing together power, style, and comfort, all unique aspects found only within this one-of-a-kind package on wheels. Number 2. The Pontiac GTO 1972. The Pontiac GTO 1972 is a legendary car that symbolizes strength and coolness. It's no wonder it still captivates people today with its iconic appearance and amazing abilities on the road. Inside this powerhouse of an engine rests a mighty V8 motor that creates 250 horsepower, enough power to make your heart race as fast as the wheels spin. You can switch gears smoothly using either automatic or manual transmission options. When you spot the sleek exterior of this classic vehicle cruising down Main Street, prepare yourself for some head-turning action. The split grille design oozes masculinity, while hood scoops add flair. Chrome accents complete our dreamy visual experience. Step inside where we'll find high-quality vinyl seats crafted in bucket style, provide sturdy support during spirited drives around town. All pertinent information about performance shows clearly across multiple gauges dotted throughout various dashboards, ensuring informed driving decisions whenever necessary. Number 1. The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro. The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro is a legendary American muscle car that oozes strength and style. Its sleek design and fierce stance make it impossible to miss on the road, making heads turn wherever you go. Underneath its hood lies an array of engine options, including a monstrous 350 cubic inch V8 engine with impressive horsepower capability. This powerful beast also comes equipped with bucket seats so comfortable that they feel like home. Furthermore, there are many modern amenities featured in this cool classic, such as dashboard gauges designed stylishly. On top of that, its exterior grabs attention instantly due to muscular fenders, bold grille, and striking paint. The combination of incredibly reasonable price tag and reliable performance thrills drivers and makes everyone fall for it. We've come to the end of this awesome video showcasing all these incredible American muscle cars that you can buy for under $10K. If you enjoyed watching it as much as we did making it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be putting out more exciting content just like this, so stay tuned.